this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this quick and easy DIY video, I'm going to make a fun little pair of kitty cat earrings. I have a pair already made to show you what we're going to be doing. So we've got a TierraCast kitty charm, we have a Swarovski crystal channel link, and a Nunn design earring hook. And one quick tip for this video is if you like to make jewelry and you like working with TierraCast and Nunn design, their metals go really well together. So it's really nice. They look very nice paired together. So we've done the silver version and we're going to do the gold version. I pulled out some other channel links here and they come in a wide variety of colors in both silver and gold. And you actually get 4 to a pack. I'm only going to be using 2, but you do get a couple extra if you want to make it even longer. So I'm going to be using the green, and I'm basically just going to be connecting that channel link with a jump ring and then this lovely long earring hook. Very easy to do. And like I said, if you wanted to make it longer, you could even add extra little links. All you're going to need are 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. And we're just going to pick up this jump ring. And we're going to grab it on either side with the slit up at the top, twist that guy open, slide on your kitty cat charm and the connector link. And it's so nice because this beautiful crystal link has a loop at both sides, which is going to make it so easy for us. We just close that back up, and now we're going to go to our earring hook, and you see it's got that loop at the base. We're just going to open that guy and hang it on. Before you close it, make sure it's facing forward. It does look really cute from the back too, but we do want to see that kitty cat's face. Close that back up, and you have an earring. Let's go ahead and do the second one. So you can see this takes less than a minute by the time you actually do it. So this would be a great gift item if you know somebody who loves cats. You can make a ton of these. And then we're just going to close that one back up. And now go to our earring hook and open it up. And I do think they look really cute in both silver and gold. Okay, again, make sure he's facing forward. I want to just show you his back really quick. Technically, you could do one facing forward, one back, so you kind of see the front and the back. That is something that you do see in jewelry design sometimes. I want both the front facing for this one. All right, so he's done. So we've got our little kitty cats. We've got it in silver and gold. And then I don't want to leave out the dog lover, so I want to show you something I did in another video. We have a little dog charm by TierraCast, and again with Nunn design earring hooks. And it's the dog in the doghouse. And then we have the silver version as well. You can find all the supplies for both of these projects at Beadaholique.com. And if you want to see this video, please check out Beadaholique.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.